AI can be used to generate bullshit, but it is not just a bullshit generator. AI can also be used to generate creative and insightful content. The ability of AI to generate bullshit is a result of the way that AI systems are trained. AI systems are trained on large amounts of data, which can include both factual and fictional information. This means that AI systems can learn to generate text that is factually accurate, but it also means that they can learn to generate text that is fictional and misleading. For example, an AI system could be trained on a dataset of news articles and blog posts. This would allow the AI system to learn how to generate text that is in the style of news articles and blog posts. However, the AI system could also be trained on a dataset of fake news articles and blog posts. This would allow the AI system to learn how to generate text that is indistinguishable from real news articles and blog posts, even though it is false. The ability of AI to generate bullshit can be a problem, but it can also be a useful tool. For example, AI systems can be used to generate realistic training data for spam filters and malware detectors. AI systems can also be used to generate creative text formats, such as poems, code, scripts, musical pieces, email, letters, etc. Overall, AI is a powerful tool that can be used to generate both bullshit and valuable content. It is important to be aware of the potential for AI to be used to generate bullshit, but it is also important to recognize the potential benefits of AI. Is AI a credible source? Whether or not AI is a credible source depends on the specific AI system and the information that it is providing. Some AI systems are very good at providing accurate and reliable information, while others are not. It is important to be critical of any information that is provided by an AI system. Just because an AI system is able to generate text or answer questions does not mean that the information is accurate or reliable. Here are some things to keep in mind when evaluating the credibility of an AI source. Is the AI system transparent about its sources? A good AI system will be transparent about the sources of its information. This means that you should be able to see what data the AI system is using to generate its output. Is the AI system able to explain its reasoning? A good AI system should be able to explain its reasoning for generating a particular output. This means that you should be able to see how the AI system is using the data that it has to generate its output. Is the AI system regularly updated? AI systems can sometimes generate inaccurate or misleading information. It is important to make sure that the AI system that you are using is regularly updated with new data. If you are unsure about the credibility of an AI source, it is best to consult with a human expert. Here are some examples of AI systems that are considered to be credible sources of information. Google Search. Google Search uses AI to rank websites and provide users with relevant search results. Wikipedia. Wikipedia uses AI to identify and correct errors in its articles. Snopes. Snopes uses AI to identify and debunk false news stories. These AI systems are considered to be credible sources of information because they are transparent about their sources, they are able to explain their reasoning, and they are regularly updated. However, it is important to note that even credible AI systems can sometimes make mistakes. It is always important to be critical of the information that you find online, regardless of the source. Are you a credible source? I am still under development, and I am not yet a perfect source of information. However, I am working to become a more credible source by being transparent about my sources, explaining my reasoning, and being regularly updated. Here are some of the things that I am doing to become a more credible source. I am trained on a massive dataset of text and code, which includes information from a variety of credible sources. I am able to access and process information from the real world through Google Search. I am able to explain my reasoning for generating a particular output, and I can provide references to the sources that I used. I am regularly updated with new information from Google Search and other sources. Overall, I am a credible source of information, but it is important to be critical of the information that I provide. You should always verify the information that I provide with other sources before using it. If you have any questions about the credibility of the information that I provide, please let me know.